Parents, this summer marks the end of the school year and a pause for the normal routine. Suddenly, you're not just mom or dad, now you're the camp counselor, chauffeur, snack dispenser, and entertainment coordinator all at the same time. We know how quickly the days can go from relaxed to overwhelming, but here's the good news: you don't have to do it all on your own. What if you had a digital assistant who could help you map out a schedule, find local events, suggest creative projects, and also keep your kids learning over the summer, all without hours of online searching or the stress of planning? That's where AI comes in. But before we tell you how you can plan your summer with AI, we want to tell you a little bit more about how you can learn each week at our parent engagement events at smartsocial.com. Remember that we host 50+ live online virtual events on major social media topics each week that help you keep your kids safe on social media so they can someday shine online. You can learn more at smartsocial.com about some of our next virtual online events that'll help you with screen time safety, dangerous challenges, the most popular apps like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, disappearing messages, video games, and a whole lot more. Now let's get back to planning your summer with AI. You don't have to be a tech expert to use tools like ChatGPT. This summer, AI can be your planning partner. Think of it as your idea generator, time saver, research assistant, and a whole lot more, all in one. Let's start with building a summer schedule. Here's an example prompt you can ask AI. Create a flexible summer schedule from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for my 9-year-old that includes time for reading, outdoor play, chores, free time, and screen time limits. Or you can get more specific. The more details you include, the more helpful of a response you might get. You could say, create a flexible summer schedule from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for my 9-year-old who loves to read, loves science, enjoys playing pickleball, and other outdoor activities, and includes lunchtimes with no screens. Make it really fun for them. AI might suggest something like this. You can see that it planned the whole day, hour by hour, and gave you ideas. Now, you don't have to use this exactly. You can drag and drop and make it your own, but it starts something that's creative, that's a playlist for your family, and you can move that playlist around. Now you have a great framework, but let's take it to the next level. You could prompt ChatGPT to include good locations for a picnic near the rec center, or suggest 5 healthy meals my kids might eat. You can also tailor it for different ages. For teens, you might add part-time work, volunteer hours, SAT prep, or creative passion projects. AI can also help you find events your family will enjoy. Consider asking ChatGPT something like, what free or low-cost family events are happening in, and you can insert your city this summer. AI can help you discover local library reading challenges, free museum days, farmers markets with kid-friendly activities, outdoor movie nights or park concerts, STEM camps and DIY workshops at hardware stores. Again, be as specific as you want. If you want to avoid crowds or heat, you can ask ChatGPT, give me indoor activity ideas near your neighborhood for kids aged 5 to 10 years old. You might get suggestions for science centers, trampoline parks, or art studios with walk-in hours. Finally, let's talk about something really important: keeping your child's mind growing all summer long. You could ask AI to suggest creative projects that match your child's interests. For example, you could say, give me 5 creative science experiments for a 7-year-old using household items. Or perhaps help me plan a week-long coding challenge for my 12-year-old. Maybe what are some podcast or documentary recommendations for a 15-year-old interested in history? You can even use it to build full project kits. Create a plan for a homemade lemonade stand project for my 10-year-old that teaches budgeting, marketing, and teamwork. These activities are educational, but they also build life skills, creativity, and confidence. This summer, parents, you don't have to do it all alone. Let AI take off some of the load so you can spend less time planning and more time connecting with your child. And remember, no matter what you do, remember to try and keep it light, bright, and polite, because your kids are watching what you're doing online.